Hi everyone, hope that you're doing great. Today's lecture is based on the 5 tips for the preparation course for IELTS. So without wasting a moment, let's dive into the presentation. As you know that various online best IELTS preparation courses are available that can help you prepare for the IELTS, including its 4 essential stages: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So here are 10 actionable methods to prepare. So here are 10 actionable methods to prepare for success, complete with an abundance of links for sites to find help. First of all, get to know what you are signing up for. Understand the basics of IELTS, understand the criteria. Taking an IELTS is not an easy job. You have to do some research before taking a preparation course for IELTS. So researching about the IELTS is your first step. Then let's move forward and learn the IELTS grading criteria. You must first have to familiarize yourself regarding the grading criteria of IELTS examination. So it's essential to know the IELTS assessment criteria before taking the IELTS test. These are the rules used to calculate your success. Thirdly, find an experienced tutor. Taking online classes with an experienced IELTS teacher can help you save your time and energy, or you can also go for in-person classes around your area wherever you are residing these days. So you have both options. Search for the right tutor and start taking your classes. Then, fourthly, we have to expand our vocabulary because the content having a below average vocabulary is going to give you less bands. And if you have some above average vocabulary level, ultimately it will raise your IELTS bands as well. So improving your vocabulary can help you to level up your IELTS skill. Vocabulary has 25% marks in the IELTS speaking and writing sections, and it plays a vital role in reading and listening sections as well. So vocabulary is one of the crucial points. Now create a study schedule. Create your study schedule and try to stick to it until the test date. Some tutors recommend utilizing 4 or 5 hours per day for the IELTS preparation test, and others 5 hours per week. So basically there are 4 modules. You're going to practice them on daily basis. It would take almost 3 to 4 hours on a daily basis. So these were the 5 most important tips regarding IELTS preparation. This is all for the day. In case of any query, feel free to contact me through the contact numbers or resources of Agilitic. This is all. Thank you so much.